Installing Java is such a difficult job. I've heard people saying this, and I think installing Java is one of the easiest thing. So without wasting time, welcome back to this module, guys. We are going to understand how do we get the Java installed on our system. One thing you always remember, and that is any language. I know our primary focus is Java now, but at A2IT, we want our students to be all-rounders. So one thing that I want to guide here through our tutorial is that any language, when you are installing, what are the two main things that you need? Does anybody know that? Can you guess it? Two main things that you need. Point number one, you need that language to be installed. Those language bindings are required. So that means if I want to learn Java, I have to install Java. Simple. Right? We are going to understand the tutorials in a very simple way. If I have to install Python, what I'll do? I'll install Python. If I need C, what I'm going to do? Install C. Isn't it? Straightforward, isn't it? So first thing what I need is the language bindings, and the second thing that I need over here is something which is called as an editor. Have you heard of this term before? Editor? Editor is a place where you're going to write your program. When we were small, remember, we used to write paragraphs and essays and letters and what all. Where did we write that? In our notebooks. Similarly, whenever you are doing programming, you need a place where you will be writing, and that is called as editor. Now, we are going to install Java and see how Java can be installed. And in this tutorial itself, I will introduce you to one of the editors which is called as Eclipse, and I'm going to show you how Eclipse can be installed. Across the globe, Eclipse is one of the editors which is very widely used, though as a Java developer, as an automation tester, you should know that which all are the other editors which are available in market. So Eclipse is there, NetBeans is there, then you have got the Europa, then you have got the IntelliJ. These are the other editors which are available, but our primary focus will be on installing Eclipse. So without further delays, let us very quickly understand how Java can be installed in a simple way. In order to install Java, my friends, let us open the URL. I have already put the link of the Java installation. Now remember, if you're facing any issues in finding this, just type www.java.com download IE manual.jsp. Just type this in a minute, and once you do that, you will see that this page is loaded. There is a version which is written. If you scroll down, there is an option where you can see download Java. Please check your system requirements before you download Java. What system requirements are, it should be a 64-bit if you are doing Java Windows 11. If it is 8 version, you need Windows 10, because if you have a very older machine, Java might not get installed. So please remember, you should have a very good system. Now click on this download Java button where you can see, and you can see that very quickly a exe file has downloaded. You can do these steps with me, my dear little friends, but one thing you have to remember is that if this exe file is taking time, it might be because of your network connection. So let it have some time. I'm right now connected on a very good bandwidth. So the moment I clicked on this, you see that exe file has downloaded. It might take some time for you, but that's okay. Once this exe file has got downloaded, I hope you're all looking at my cursor. If you're facing any issues, let me highlight which area am I talking about. This is the area where I am. And now all you need to do is just click on this exe file. You will click on the yes option, and as you click on the yes, you will see that there is an install button and a remove button. Click on the install button and that's it. The installation window will open in a minute. There will be some instructions. We will just click on next, next, next and finish. So you saw that installing Java was not difficult. A pop-up opened when you click on that pop-up, and you can always access that again. Anytime you want to set up again, you can go to any of these files. Just click on this file. I have downloaded it 2 times. Double click on this and click on next. Java will get installed. Now I hope Java is clear, and I'll also show you in the next tutorial when we start coding in Java how to make sure that Java is fully installed. There is a command that you can run in the command prompt, which I'll show you very soon. Our next step, friends, is to install the editor, and I told you what's an editor. It is a place where you are actually going to write your code. So eclipse.org downloads packages installer is the URL, which you can go click on it and then click on this download button. As you click on this download x8664, this orange color button, if you are facing issues in understanding where exactly I am, this is the area which I am talking about. So you will click on this download button, and as you click on the download button, you will see that based on the internet speed that you have, this download button will create a file onto your desktop. So in very 2 minutes, we will see how that happens. So you can now see that this download button is available. Click on this download button. I am again repeating, it might take a bit of your internet speed. If it is slow, it might take little more time for the download to happen. So you will now click on the download button, and as you can see, I am getting connected to the eclipse.org, and the download will very soon start. So you can see that this file is getting downloaded, eclipse-instagre. Look at my cursor and please click on this button. I am showing you how the editor gets installed in the system. So as I click on this button, you will see that the Eclipse installer by modal window will open, and very quickly you can see these different options which are available. Now this is little tricky, right? Many times we don't know which window to select. So I'm going to give you a very simple way of understanding what you want to select. You need to select this second option from the top. I'm highlighting this area so you don't have any problem. Please do not select any of these options, nothing. Just install this, click on this button. I hope that's clear, my friends. So let's click on this Eclipse as I guided you, and that's it. Click on the install button. There is a service agreement document which you can read if you want to. I know it's very big. Click on the accept now, and you will see that the installation is in progress. To save our time, I'll pause my video here and let the installation happen very quickly, and once it is happened, I will show you in my next tutorial how to find out whether Java is successfully installed or not. I will also guide you to see whether or confirm whether the Eclipse is successfully installed or not. But to save time, I'm not going to do a recording of installation happening over here. So let us quickly conclude what we have learned in this session. In this video tutorial, we now know that in case you want to do programming, you need two main things. You need the language to be installed. In this case, we have got the language which is Java language. You need also the second thing which is called as the editor. The editor that we have chosen over here is the Eclipse. So we installed Java. How? Simple. We just clicked on this URL that we had. We went to the download option and we went to java.com download manual.jsp and clicked on this download Java. This generated a file, which is the file I'm going to quickly show you, which looked like this, and you double clicked on it and the Java got installed. The second thing that we learned in this tutorial was how to install Eclipse. We went to the Eclipse link and then we clicked on this option, second from the top, Eclipse for the Java developers, and you can see that the installation is in progress. I will get back to you very soon once both of these installations are finished, and I request all of you to finish this installation as well and watch my next tutorials in this series. See you very soon, guys. Keep practicing, keep learning Java. See you soon.